Here. Okay. Finally! Totoo na ba to, Jo?
Sana po totoo na. Parang deja vu pa. Deja vu pa to.
Are you excited now to be reunited with your girls?
Yes! Sobrang miss ko na silang lahat. See you, girls!
Nagka-FOMO ka ba? Pero are you 100% well na?
Yes po. Sana walang mag-recur. And yun, yung doctors naman, they made sure na okay ako before ako palisin ng hospital. So,
right.
I'm okay.
Okay, perfect. Photo lang please, right here. 1, 2. Okay, let me get my luggage. Pasok
Ikaw ang kasama ko sa
Sa akin po for ASAP. 1, 2, 3. Speed na. Thank you. Maan, bye-bye.
Bye, sir!
Ano si Sir MJ?
Bye, Sir
Alis ka na,
MJ.
sir.
Kasama kami.
Iwan.
Ingat po kayo, ha?
Thank you. Ako bahala.
Go na. Thank you, Sir MJ.
Bye. Wala si
Let's have fun.
Let's have fun. You mentioned to me, Kyle, Yolo. Jake. Great. Kyle, PJ, are you guys excited?
Yeah, super excited to see all our kababayans in California. I'm so excited to support for all of you guys. It's been a while.
PJ. Yeah, can't wait. Always a great reunion be with our kapamilyas and our kababayans abroad. Tapos nasa live. So it's fun to be with them every time.
Right. Okay, photo lang please.